Alright Garrison, you didn't go pee this morning, which was a very bad idea. But help will be on the way in about an hour. There's gonna be somebody here to watch you, and his name is gonna be Isaac, and you gotta stay inside. You gotta stay here. No, Garrison. Oh, he's trying to escape. He's trying to escape. Stay. No, 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 but he's very close. Okay, bye. Can I come in? Please? Hey, can I come in? Hey, hey. Oh, he's broken, dude. I'm coming in anyway. Here he comes. He's coming. He's got a thing for my windshield, I can see. This is my grandparents' timeshare. We're in Cape Cod, Massachusetts. They've had this timeshare my entire life. I haven't been here in like 8 years. Before I joined the Marine Corps was the last time I came here. And I have this memory. I always remember I was in the middle of boot camp. I was absolutely miserable and I just wanted to be here. Fortunately, I never came back for like 8 more years, but we're here now. We got the bum, she's here, and she's got her banana pancakes. So the bum's never been here before. So I want to give you a warm welcome to Cape Cod, California. Huh? What? What are you confused about? You want some syrup? Or do you want some syrup? Do you call it syrup or syrup?
Syrup.
Syrup?
Syrup?
Okay, so I dropped the sausage on the floor, but I mean, like, I can't waste it because it's really tasty. So without any further ado, it tastes like the floor. Oh, dude, there's like rocks in my mouth, dude. What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? What do I do, dude?
It's extra nutrients.
Are you having fun yet? 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 We're on vacation. Are you having fun yet? Are you having fun yet? Are you having bum yet? Bum yet? So the bum's become a great collector of rocks. You know, she just has 5,000 rocks. She keeps them all in my bathroom. She's kind of a rock hoarder, and she's already got another rock. We've been here for like 5 minutes, and the bum's dude, people pay money to get rid of their rocks, and here you are. You're bringing more rocks. We don't need more. No more rocks. You don't need to bring a dump truck full of rocks back to the house.
All the rocks.
All right, guys, we found the royal umbrella. It's extremely rare. It was owned by the royal family back in 1596. Queen Elizabeth XV, before she was beheaded in the taco ceremony. It was a crazy time, but look, I have it. There's a piece of history right here in front of your faces. You want to go under it?
Yeah.
You want to go under Queen Elizabeth's umbrella?
Yeah.
It's the taco umbrella.
Yeah.
Right in front of your beaks.
Oh,
crap, oh crap. You see that umbrella over there? My umbrella is way better. It's just this Princess Elizabeth. They're laughing. They think it's funny. They don't even realize that it's not a joke. This is Princess Johansson Elizabeth's umbrella. And it might be falling apart, but it's definitely better than theirs is. Oh, that was awesome, dude.
Look what I found on the ground.
What is that?
I don't know.
Get it out of here. Hey, Johnny, how you doing, buddy? How come you have holes in your ear? Where did you get those things?
Bit by an inchworm.
Did you get those professionally installed?
Yeah.
Or did you install them yourself? Can you do that for me too? Because I feel like I have poor drainage in my ears and they always get filled up with water, so I feel like I need holes in my ears to get the water out.
You did it in your forehead too.
Really?
Yeah.
Because I have water in my brain?
Yeah.
Yeah. But instead I just have this awesome umbrella. So I don't have to have water in my head because the umbrella protects it. But I do have water in my ears, so I feel like I need those. Can I just have your holes and I can put them in my ears? You don't mind? All right, here. I was gonna eat the holes out of your ears. What's wrong with you today? You're like in a bad mood. Like you don't want to give me your holes. Like, all right, fine. You know what? Screw it. I'll get my own holes. Mandy Bum, without any further ado, I would like to introduce you to my new pet. His name is Henry.
Hi, Henry.
Also, there's apparently a really cool shower here, and we're gonna go look at it. I can't reach over there.
Can you see anything?
Yeah, I'm a fence master, so here we go. Ah. All right, false alarm.
Look at this.
Wow. Look at all this stuff. This smells like it was built yesterday. What do you think? You want to live in it?
That's what they call a, what do they call it? Rainforest shower head?
Yeah. Why don't you go in it?
See the bench? Yeah, go on in there.
Go on in.
Take a shower.
Go take a shower. Hang on, stop. Make yourself at home. Here, hang up your hat. What do you think? What does it make you want to do? Come on, help yourself, seriously. I don't know what to do now. I'm just gonna slowly walk away. And yeah, I'll leave you to it. All right, we're here reporting live from downtown Cape Cod. Today, we're in search of a shirt.
And I'm in search of a blue shirt on the ground.
Ew, 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 ew. All right, well, now that we've got that taken care of, we can go find my shirt. Guys, this is the shirt I'm tempted to get, and I want it. I don't know what it means, but it's bears. What do you think?
Yes, it is.
Dude, what is this? Dude, I just found these.
Dude, this probably belonged to some.
Get in the zone, auto zone. If one of you guys left this in here, I'm just gonna leave it right here, so you can just come back and get it anytime. Yo, that car's cool and all, but it's no Papa Prius. I mean, if it were red, it might be comparable, but it's not red. It's not. It's orange creamsicle, and therefore it's not comparable. And check it out. We got the Garrisano meatball shirt. It even says, "Let the puppies free." And you know, it's Meatball Garrisano. He wants to be let free because he's an escape artist. You know, that's what he does best. He just wants to escape. He wants to be running down the road, going free, and just being a muskrat. And I am proud to represent the Meatball Garrisano with the Cape Cod shirt. He's even got a bra on his mouth, which, you know, it's kind of fitting because, you know, he's kind of like a bra mechanic, so he's always working on them. It's really the most fitting shirt.
But wait, Caleb. I have a very important question for you. Do you want to possibly maybe have a very delicious treat? First, you gotta sit. Now you have to stay. Wait.
That red boat over there, the one you and I went on fishing.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
We didn't get anything.
Oh yeah. Look at this seagull.
This wind stuff go all the way up.
Everyone gets boats and they name it majestic things like Mystery, the Glistening Cyclone. I name my boat French Relish Eyeball Unicorn Dust, or Tapioca Oak Nut Plaza Butter. Something like that, something good, you know? Something to get the attention, man. That'd be me pulling up in Seahorse Unicorn Gladiator Piss. Oh my God! Who taught you how to fight?
The ancient seahorse umbrellas on the line. I could take down anyone.
Well, you can have it. Now look, we even decided to be very good Samaritans, and we are going to personally toss this away. Mainly because we made a big scene on the beach and everyone was staring at us, and I didn't want to just leave it there and look like an idiot, so we just saved the world. Pops, check it out. No surf and turf burger is complete without fire sauce. Oh ho 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 ho. Check out this Cobra. This thing's sick. It's like the one I used to have, except mine was a V6. Check this out, dude. This is apparently, oh my God, this is a railroad bridge, and it goes up and it goes down. And right now, it's freaking down. What do you think? You think it's pretty cool? You wanna lick it?
Oh, look how fast the tide is going.
Dude, this is cool though, this bridge.
So when it comes down on all these cables, the railroad can go across the canal. This canal's all dug by machinery, and actually when they dug it like 90 years ago, it's pretty interesting to read about it. All the equipment that they use and everything. Down here is the beginning.
It's huge.
And then about 8 miles up is the end.
I wonder how long it took them to dig the whole thing.
I don't know. I read it a long time ago.
I've never seen a train bridge like this. It's actually like really cool. What if you had 30 years to eat the bridge for $1 billion? Would you attempt it? Mm-hmm. You would?
Definitely.
You would?
I would do it right now.
You know there's a guy who ate an entire airplane? He did, like piece by piece over like a long period of time. He ate an entire airplane. Look it up if you don't believe me.
Did he have hot sauce?
Fire sauce, actually. You know, anything is possible with fire sauce, which means in 30 years you could be a billionaire with the power of fire sauce and eating that bridge. puppies. Puppies? 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 Where's the puppies? Okay, brief update. So I left for a little while, and apparently the dog thief dropped off the dogs. There they are. There's the puppies. Spoiler alert, the dog thief is Isaac, which I was actually pretty happy about because, well, they probably would have been bored if he hadn't came and thieved them. Hello! How are your puppies doing? How are you guys doing? How are you guys doing? Hello! You're such a good... Oh, crap. You guys are such good girls.